This is a major fraud in our nation. We want the law to be used in a proper manner. So we'll be going to the U.S. Supreme Court. We want all voting to stop.
That right there, President Donald Trump threatening legal action over the 2020 presidential election. And today he did take some action as some key battleground states are still up in the air this afternoon. Joining us right now to talk more about this is Richard Kaye, a professor at the UConn School of Law. Professor, thank you very much for taking a few minutes to talk with us today.
My pleasure.
So the AP is now reporting it looks like the president's campaign is going to try to stop the counting in both Michigan and Pennsylvania. Let me start by getting your reaction to that. Is this a surprise to you at this point?
The particular form in which his action has taken is kind of a surprise. I don't know what the basis of the Michigan claim is, and actually the Pennsylvania claim is. In Michigan, he says that his campaign did not get enough observers when the ballots were being opened, which, if it's true, I suppose is a ground for asking for some relief. I find it kind of hard to believe that Michigan went ahead and started tabulating its ballots with only one side present. So what his campaign means by meaningful access is kind of a mystery to me.
I'm sure this is a hard question to answer, but how do you see this playing out? I mean, do you see this kind of ticking its way towards the U.S. Supreme Court slowly or quickly?
Well, yeah, I do see it going to the Supreme Court because in these circumstances, you get the impression that no matter what the substantive merits of the complaint are, it's important to the president and to his campaign to take this as far as it will go. And we hope no further. So I expect that no matter what the result is going to be, and this Michigan lawsuit has been started in the Michigan Court of Claims. So from there's an appeal, I suppose, to the Michigan Supreme Court, and then there'd be something from the Michigan Supreme Court to the United States Supreme Court. Although, again, the claim which the president is making in this case has only to do with Michigan law. And if that's the only question, the United States Supreme Court will not take jurisdiction. That's something which they have nothing to do. The Michigan Supreme Court has the last word on Michigan law.
Any final thoughts, sir, on how you think this is going to wrap up? What do you think the outcome will be here of this?
Based on how far-fetched the original action is, I would be surprised if there were really any substantive claims that will end up undoing a count that is otherwise adverse to the president. So I'm hoping that'll be no more, but a lot of noise and thunder, but not much actual change in the way the election is carried out.
Okay, Richard Kaye from the UConn School of Law, sir. Thank you very much for taking a few minutes to talk with us today.
Thank you so much.